Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also hide or show layers or layer groups in a layered image file. To change the visibility of a layer or layer group, click the eye icon at the left end of the layer or layer group to toggle its visibility on or off. Alternatively, if you only want to view a single selected layer, you can hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then click the eye icon of the layer or layer group to view. All the other layers will have their visibility turned off. This can be helpful when you want to concentrate on working with a specific layer's content without the distraction of the content on the other layers. To make the hidden layers visible again, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then click the same eye icon again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.